Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. When you're crafting the perfect cocktail, don't forget about the glass. It is just as important as what you put into it. These gorgeous coupe glasses from VIFVOR have totally exceeded my expectations. These are a hand-blown, beautiful glass with a 10-ounce capacity, so it makes them pretty generous for cocktails. You can also use them for wine, and you can even use them for desserts. They are sturdy, and I definitely feel confident eating out of these that they're not going to break. They're also dishwasher safe, which is a big plus, and they're really easy to handle. They feel nice and durable, and I like the size of the stem. It doesn't feel like you're going to break it or it's easily going to topple over. They're just a really well-made glass that is easy to handle and easy to drink out of. I really love this vintage style with the rib design. It is so beautiful to look at. They look amazing on a table if you're having a dinner party or a cocktail party. And that rib design really reflects the light and just looks so beautiful and so glamorous. So these glasses came shipped so well. They were packaged super carefully, nothing was broken, and they came in a really pretty box. So this would make a really nice gift for someone who loves to make cocktails, or maybe just a gift for yourself to jazz up your home bar. So I absolutely love these glasses. I am so pleased with them. I'm really happy that I got them because they definitely add something special to my home bar area. I think you are going to absolutely love these beautiful glasses, and that's my point of view.